Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing what I eat in a day when I am intermittent fasting. If you're new here, I have already shared a couple of intermittent fasting videos which I have updated in a playlist, and the links are at the end card, which is at the end of the video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I usually break my 18-hour fast with a fat first turmeric tea. But today I'm taking a break from turmeric tea and starting my day with a handful of cashew nuts. My fasting window is from 2 p.m. to 8 a.m. the next day, and my eating window is from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. I prefer this timing as I like to have my breakfast. Do check my previous videos on intermittent fasting to know more about how I intermittent fast and the reason why I prefer this eating window, which begins at 8 a.m. and ends at 2 p.m. So for breakfast, I have already soaked about 10 almonds overnight, and I'm peeling the skin and adding it to my blender. I'm adding in 1 glass of water and I'm blending it up to make almond milk. I'm also using a handful of fresh moringa leaves, as I always make sure that my meals are nutrient dense and has enough greens, vegetables and healthy fats. I'm rinsing the leaves and keeping it aside. Now into my blender, I'm adding in the fresh moringa leaves, half tablespoon cacao powder, 1 tablespoon flax seeds and half tablespoon chia seeds for some extra omega-3 fats, protein and antioxidants, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 3/4 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 medjool dates, and lastly I'm adding in 1 ripe banana, and I'm blending it until everything is nicely mixed and combined, and I'm pouring it into my serving glass and I'm topping it with some raw cacao nibs. This smoothie is so filling that it keeps me fuller till lunchtime. So in between lunchtime, I'm not having any snacks because I feel very full after having this smoothie. But I also make sure that I have enough water throughout the day, even when I am in my fasting window. Moving on to lunch, I usually start cooking my lunch by around 1:30 p.m. as I want to close my eating window by 2 p.m. For lunch, first I am whisking 1 whole egg plus 1 egg white with some salt and pepper, and I'm heating my cast iron wok with the wood pressed coconut oil and scrambling the eggs. And then I'm removing the eggs from the pan and keeping it aside. In the same wok, I'm adding in wood pressed coconut oil, and I have already sliced 10 shallots, 2 green chilies, 6 garlic cloves, and I'm adding it into the oil, and once it is sauteed and the shallots are transparent, I'm adding in some mixed vegetables. So the mixed vegetables I'm using are 2 small carrots which I have chopped, 10 beans, 1/4 of a capsicum, 1/4 of a broccoli, and a handful of thinly sliced cabbage. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, and on medium to high flame, I'm stir frying the vegetables. Once the vegetables are half cooked, I'm adding in half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon coconut aminos. I prefer to use coconut aminos instead of soy sauce, and I'm stirring it really well. Add in 1/3 cup cooked rice. I'm using the rice variety which is called as ponni rice here in Kerala, and I'm stirring it really well. Then I'm adding in the scrambled egg and mixing it really well again. And once it is nicely mixed, I'm turning off the flame. Add in 2 to 3 sprigs of chopped spring onions and mix well. Lastly, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon homemade coconut vinegar for some healthy gut-friendly probiotics. I'm mixing it really well and then I'm transferring the fried rice to a serving plate. I enjoyed this veggie loaded super filling fried rice. The fried rice was so good that I enjoyed having it without any side dish. And I'm finishing off my lunch with some watermelon. Watermelon is right now in season. I always prefer to have seasonal vegetables and fruits. And I'm closing my eating window at 2 p.m. And I make sure I drink plenty of water during my fasting window. So, guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.